Welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn one of the most important concepts in Excel VBA, the for loop. Imagine you need to perform the same task hundreds of times. Instead of writing the same code repeatedly, you can use a for loop to automate the process. A for loop executes a block of code a specified number of times, making your VBA program shorter, faster, and much easier to maintain. So let's start with the example of displaying numbers from 1 to 10. We will print number 1 to 10 from A1 to 8. So let's start by writing the program. Let's say, for example, and we will declare a integer demi as integer because we have to print this integer. For I is equals to 1 to 10. Printing these numbers from A1 to A10, we will say I dot 1 is equals to I, and next time. So in this way, for 1, when the I is 1, cell 1 1 will be 1, means A1 will be 1. Next I 2 1 will be 1. So in this way it will print 1 to 10 till I becomes 10. So pressing OK will give us this A1 to A10.